moving section, excuse me, section 5, insurance coverages. In here, I know that we have reduced it from the 6 million that was represented. I don't know if it was over the summer or when, but we will agree to go with 1 million.
Okay. And again, Louis, I'd go, again, we wanted a minimum of 1 million because that's what other homes have, big or small. Give you the history. I thought we had 6 million. David asked for the document, which we resent you. It actually adds up when you do the insurance math to 7 million. We're not saying you don't get the benefit of whatever we have. We just didn't want to be bound to have an outrageously high number, which we've had. And that was the way the language is. So we appreciate the 1 million. Again, there is no septic policy. We sent over from our agent a pollution policy that was for oil spills. But I think there's a better method to taking care of that, which is, call the county every day, call the county every month, call the county once a year. If it's John Barish, who would look at a document once a year, have him call the county once a year. We won't get mad at John for calling the county and saying, there's a septic spill, go check it out.
We'll get more to that in number 9.
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to say, but in this insurance provision, if you get an excess policy or an umbrella policy, we expect the corporation, to be named as an additional insured. And I'm just going back, in our August meeting, you were the one who stated that you had 6 million of insurance. We asked, for we just asked for what you told us you had. If it's only 1 million and not 6 million, we'll go with 1 million.
Well, no, Louis. So again, that's what you wrote. I want to be very clear. The amount of insurance that we're agreeing to is a minimum of 1 million. The corporation would be an additional insured on whatever we have. That 1 million and whatever is above it. It would be an additional insured, not a co-insured, and I think you guys have already agreed to that. At one point, it went from additional insured that we proposed to co-insured. It's back to additional, but to say that it's down to 1 million because we only have 1 million is a misstatement. Right now, we send over what we have. The insurance every year is remarketed. And, I thought we had 6 million. We have 7 if you add up all the umbrellas. The corporation is additional insured. It happens to be on 7 million today if this agreement was signed. But if we all of a sudden choose to have 900,000, that's a violation of the agreement. If we have 1.1 million, we haven't violated the agreement. But whatever it is, we're willing to have the corporation additional insured. Not treating you any differently than we're treating ourselves.
Up to the max, up to what you are carrying for that insurance, above $1 million.
No, up to the 6 or 7 million umbrella.
Right.
Yeah.
A floor of 1 million.
Correct.
And anything above that you currently carry.
Absolutely.
And an additional insured.
Yes.